Good morning, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the mPower function to clear filters from your spreadsheet. And in this file, I've got several columns that I've filtered. And if I just select the Display Clear Filters option here, what it does, it presents a list of all columns that are filtered. And I can pick and choose the columns I want to remove filters from. So let's say I want to remove it from column D and column O. I just select those two and continue. And as you can see, the filter just got removed from D, and it also did from O. And this file also has merge cells, which the program can see and will not impact the ability to find all the columns that are filtered. I hope this video helped, and have a great day. Thank you.